Hey guys, so it is Sunday morning and we're out dog sitting. It's like 8 o'clock. We're really tired. We had a long day yesterday, so waking up early is not fun, and it's raining again. Yesterday it rained probably all day. Towards the night it got heavier, like it drizzled more like in the morning and in the afternoon, and then at night it was like downpouring. When we were here yesterday night, it like really picked up. So it's raining again this morning, a rainy weekend, but that's okay. We need the rain. But yeah. So a relaxing day. I haven't put up a vlog in 2 days because I literally haven't non-stop this whole week. So I'm gonna work on that and catch up on some sleep. So we are back, me and my brother, and we are back dog sitting, and we're letting him out for last time until Thursday. Oh my god, it's like raining from the trees. But yeah, she asked me to do it on Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday too. So that's what we're doing. We're just letting him out one last time until then.